Today I am going to make dinner bread without eggs. This bread is served with any kind of soups. Also you can make any kind of sandwich. Let's start it. We need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, half cup of fine semolina, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Mix to combine the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of warm water and mix a little. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any kind of oil. Knead the dough until smooth and pulls away from the side of the bowl. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. Let the rest for about 10 minutes. Then knead the dough again a few minutes. Add some oil to a bowl. Cover and let the dough rest for about 1 hour in warm place until doubled in size. It's been 1 hour. Divide the dough into 2 pieces, knead again and let it rest for about 10 minutes. After that, form the shape of the bread. Transfer to a baking sheet. hour and let it rest again for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The bread has rested. I'm going to dust it with some flour and make cut. After that, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. My bread is ready. Let it cool down. My bread has cooled down, and let's cut a slice. This bread is crispy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside. Perfect for a family dinner. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.